My name is Joy Watson, and I am running for District Attorney on November 3rd. As your District Attorney, I bring 20 years of experience, 20 years working right here in Nassau County. I started out in the DA's office right after law school. I then worked my way up, handling various crimes that impact our communities, whether it was a DWI, a shoplifting case, all the crimes that affect our day-to-day lives. I was then promoted through the ranks and was then assigned to the Homicide Major Offense Bureau, where I served for 7.5 years. The last 3.5 years, I was the Deputy Bureau Chief. And in that assignment, I handled robberies, burglaries, kidnapping cases, and of course the most serious homicide or murder charges. During my last 3 years in the DA's office, I was promoted and served as the Chief of the Sex Crimes and Domestic Violence Bureau. Again, a very serious assignment, handling some of the most sensitive and serious matters. My educational background includes having received my Bachelor of Arts degree from SUNY Albany and my law degree from Pepperdine University School of Law. I live with my family, Roger, 19, and Nick, 21, both of whom are now full-time students at college, and my husband, Tom Mancusi, in the village of Hempstead. I've always believed that you have to give back to your community, and I'm truly honored to be able to be, for example, a mentor at the Hempstead Middle School. As a 21-year Hempstead resident, I feel it is my duty and indeed my privilege to give back to the young people who live in my village, in my community. I'm also active with the Kawanians. I am a Kawanian. I am humbled and honored indeed to be on the board of directors for Big Brothers Big Sisters of Long Island. I am also active within the legal community. I am a vice president of the Women's Bar Association, and I'm on the board for the We Care Fund of the Nassau County Bar Association. That is the charitable arm of the Bar Association. So we go out, we raise funds, and we try to distribute those funds to needy organizations, individuals, and causes within Nassau County. I'm also the recording secretary for Irish Americans in Government. As your district attorney, I will bring a commitment, a proven commitment, to putting Nassau County families first. Being tough on crime and fair on justice will be the hallmark of my administration. There are many areas that need addressing in the district attorney's office. For example, the gang problem is out of control. We must put greater resources to combating that terrible, terrible area of crime in Nassau County. Narcotics. If you look at the increase in heroin overdose deaths in Nassau County since the current DA has been in office, it should outrage you. We really need to have greater attention paid. In addition to education for our children, we must also aggressively go after the drug kingpins who are bringing those drugs into our county and therefore making them available to our children. Internet predators also require greater attention, and certainly an increase in staff, an increase in attorneys assigned to prosecute those particular cases will be part of my agenda. In the area of domestic violence, it is very important that when necessary, a tough love approach is utilized. The unfortunate case where was killed by her estranged boyfriend. The DA in that case, if I had been the DA, I would have insisted on trying to obtain a material witness order to bring that woman before the courts. In my experience as a 20-year Nassau County prosecutor, bringing someone before the judge is often all that is needed for them to have the confidence to continue on with the prosecution and thereby saving their lives. My campaign has a website, joywatson4da.com, which has a lot of information about my background, my education, my experience in the community, my commitment to the community, as well as my positions on the various issues which must be addressed by a district attorney's office, I urge you to please visit the website regularly because it's updated with new information all the time. If you wish to mail something to the campaign, which of course will be sent on to me, you can send it to Friends of Joy Watson at Post Office Box 741, Mineola, New York, 11501. Please feel free to contact my campaign headquarters at 516-292-7325. I'm Joy Watson, running for District Attorney on November 3rd. I bring my 20 years of experience and commitment to this county, and I ask for your vote. That's November 3rd, 2009. Thank you.